Hello, hello, hello. How you doing? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you some tricks I've been using with these AI tools to stop paying too much. Because let's be real, some of these big names are just overcharging you for less. In this video, I'm breaking down the exact tools I use every single day. Avatars, voiceovers, videos, images, edits, all of it. And I'm gonna show you how each one stacks up against the big name competitors, what it actually costs you, and why the smarter, cheaper option does just as much, if not more. If you're building a brand or running channels and don't want to spend a fortune, this one's for you. Stay with me. So first up, let's talk about Clone Voice AI versus 11 Labs. 11 Labs is the big name, right? And yeah, it's good. Clean voice, natural sound. But their plan is like $22 a month for 100,000 characters. And when those credits run out, you're done. You're just sitting there waiting for the month to reset or reaching into your pocket again. It's like $264 a year, every year. But Clone Voice AI? It's not as famous, but it gives you 200 hours of content per day for a one-time fee. No monthly bill, no credit reset, no ceiling. You clone your voice, you use it, and you keep creating. 11 Labs might have the name, but Clone Voice has the deal. After year one, you've saved hundreds. After year two, it's not even a conversation anymore. Now, let's look at Talking Photo AI versus HeyGen. HeyGen is what everyone knows for avatars. It's polished, sure, but their creator plan is $29 a month, and that premium realistic avatar feature capped at 5 minutes. 5 minutes. If you're posting daily, that's gone in a week. You're paying $348 a year for a ceiling. That's bullshit, you know? Talking Photo AI flips the game. You upload a photo, any photo, and it brings it to life. It talks, it moves, it syncs to your voice. No complicated setup, no credit countdown. It's not as famous as HeyGen, but it does exactly what you need for less. That's the move right there. And for images, Artistly AI versus Midjourney or Adobe Firefly. Adobe is like $54 a month. Midjourney is $10. Both are great, but if you're a creator needing thumbnails and ad creatives every day, you need a workflow that fits your budget. Artistly AI is built for marketers. It's not trying to be the biggest art platform. It's trying to help you make content that converts. It's built for the speed of a daily creator. Then we got the big dogs. Video Express AI versus Sora or VO3. Sora and VO3 are next level cinematic, wild realism. But Sora's access is limited and expensive. VO3 is still rolling out. These are for filmmakers, not for someone trying to drop content every day across 5 platforms. Video Express AI is not Sora. It doesn't have the Google budget. But for $49, one time, you get text to video, image to video, AI voice sync, HD renders, and no watermarks. You can put your character anywhere. Luxury jet, beach, rooftop. Go all access for $179 and you unlock talking photos, face swap, and 5-minute videos. Sora might be the future, but Video Express is what works right now at a price that makes sense. Finally, CapCut versus Adobe Premiere. Premiere is like $55 a month. Final Cut is $300. Both are overkill and overpriced for daily social content. CapCut's free plan is right there. Pro is $180 for the year, and it has AI auto edit. Upload, describe the style, and it builds the edit. Cuts clips, adds captions, transitions, automatically. Adobe can't do that. CapCut does it for free to start. That's the power move. Look, these tools aren't the most famous. They don't have the Super Bowl ads, but they do the job every day. They let you keep your money while your content keeps going out. That's the real flex. Not spending more, but creating more with less. Get the tools, own the setup, build the system. Links are below. Basic plans start at $49. Smart creators already know. Now you do too. Let's go. Appreciate you watching to the end. See you on the next one.